Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Northern Coastal Highway. We are driving from Ocho Rios towards Montego Bay. Now we're actually on the outskirts of Discovery Bay heading towards Montego Bay. Now this is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. It's also one of the most important roads in Jamaica. Now tourism is a major industry in Jamaica. The majority of the buildings you see going up outside of the city of Kingston are hotels. For instance, on this stretch, you have so many hotels being built. You have so many hotels being there already. And when the tourists come into Jamaica, they come into Montego Bay. 85% of all the tourists that come into Jamaica come into Montego Bay. Now look at the Caribbean Sea straight ahead. Perfect for hotels, the beaches, the sea. So between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, you have a major tourist corridor that includes Trelawney, Falmouth, Cooper's Pen, Discovery Bay, Runaway Bay, Draxall, Ocho Rios. This is the road you take to get from the airport when you land in Jamaica to the majority of the hotels in Jamaica. This section. You can also go from Montego Bay to Negril, where you have a lot more hotels, but this is the most used road by tourists in Jamaica between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. So with the number of tourists increasing every year that come to Jamaica, and the government hoping to get 8 million tourists to visit Jamaica in a year, this road is going to be expanded. Now here you can see it's 2 lanes. I think this is there's a hotel there on the right. I'm trying to remember now. I don't know if it's Bracco. But this road, the section between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, is going to be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. Now look on the right where you see those power lines. You see how far away they are from the main road? That's because this road was always intended to be 4 lanes. Now look on the left and the right. You see how much space there is? So it can easily be done. Now this is actually the Northern Coastal Highway, is the longest road in Jamaica. It goes from Portland all the way along the north coast. So it goes from the parish of Portland through St. Mary, through St. Anne, through Trelawney, through St. James, through Hanover, all the way into Westmoreland, where it ends in Negril. This road is basically the lifeline of the tourism industry in Jamaica. The tourists come in through the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, and then they use the Northern Coastal Highway to get wherever they are going. So it's safe to say this is one of the most important roads in Jamaica. Now if Jamaica welcomes 8 million visitors, I guarantee you all 8 million will drive on some section of this road while visiting Jamaica. It also takes you to the major tourist destinations in Jamaica, in Ocho Rios. Duns River Falls, which is number 1, Dolphin Cove, which is number 2, and Mystic Mountain. So even if you're staying in Negril, Montego Bay, whether you come in via the cruise ships for the day, you're going to visit one of those attractions if you go inland. Again, you're going to use this road. So the government has a very good plan for tourism in Jamaica. The hotels are being built, and we really need to, we're not a political channel, you guys know that, but we really need to give the government credit for what they're doing re-tourism. I've never seen so much expansion, construction going on in Jamaica at any one time. And it's not haphazard, there's a plan to it. The hotels are being built, the roads are being upgraded, the airports are being upgraded. So it's working. Jamaica currently has 30,000 hotel rooms, but within the next 5 years it's going to have 50,000. And we know this because the hotels are being built and the majority of them are off this road. You're going to use this road to get there, the Northern Coastal Highway. Now, it's a pity when this road was being built, they didn't build it as 4 lanes. It was built back in 2006, and for whatever reason, it was built as 2 lanes. In some areas, it goes through town, like it goes through Discovery Bay, it goes through Runaway Bay, and the road is just too busy for that now, so they're going to be building bypasses. But this road is a lifeline of the tourist industry in Jamaica, without a doubt. So once it's expanded to 4 lanes, it will allow for up to between 30 and 50,000 cars to use it per day. And with 8 million tourists going to, well, the figure is 5 million now. 5 million tourists, or between 4 and 5 million are coming into Jamaica in 2023. So you can see why this road is just not, it has outgrown its use. The usage of the road has increased so much that it has to be expanded. So the government plans to expand it. It's called the Northern Coastal Highway Expansion Project. It's going to be the most expensive capital expenditure project in Jamaican history. Basically, it's going to be the most expensive road in Jamaica. But that's fine, because guess what? It will benefit Jamaica tremendously. As I said, it's a pity they didn't build it as 4 lanes back in 2006, but I think back then Jamaica was brushing 2 million visitors. Now we have 5, and it's going to be growing. When the hotel rooms get to 50,000, and you know the hotels in Jamaica are always booked out. So it's good that they're expanding it now, and of course the contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company. And we can only hope that the government learns from what happened on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, and they don't make those same mistakes when expanding this road, because that road from Harbourview to Portland, they used China Harbour Engineering Company as the main contractor, but they included local subcontractors, 10 of them. And things got so bad that there were people, the residents that use that road, people that live in the area where the road was being worked on, blocked the road, protested, saying the local contractors cannot manage the work. So out of the 10 local contractors, I think you have 2 or 3 left on the job. China Harbour Engineering Company is now doing the work. Actually, they stepped in and did the work that the local contractors were to do, because some sections of that road is now finished, and it just showed that basically the lesson learned is do not use local contractors on this road. It is 10 times more important than the road, 100 times more important than the road from Harbourview to Portland. We cannot afford those mistakes to be made. And also, this road is going to be in use while it's being upgraded. So the same thing happened with the other road. So I'm hoping that they put in the adequate measures to ensure people can use the road in a proper manner while it's being upgraded. But it has to be upgraded, because it definitely has to be upgraded. It's too important a road, and everybody realizes it. And I think the project is going to start next year. The contractor can definitely get it done, and the government is committed to it. We'll give you an update on the actual specifics in another video, but we're just showing you the road today and explaining to you how important it is. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.